was recently asked if it's possible to do your own airbag replacements, and I answered with why. You see, if you've been in a car accident that has required the airbags to deploy, you have bigger problems than just that airbag. There'll be interior panels, seatbelt tensioners, you might even have to have the ECU reprogrammed. Now, if your airbag needs to be replaced due to a warranty recall, you're going to have to take it to the manufacturer anyway to keep the warranty intact. Now, fitting airbags can be very dangerous in itself. If you do not follow an exact procedure and know exactly what you're doing, the airbag can actually go off during fitment, and that's not a very pretty sight. So in short, yes, you can if you really, really want to, but we don't recommend it. Rather have a trained professional do it and make sure it's done right.